Today's video, guys, is going to be a quick story time, number 14, on the Chrysler 300. And the time it was, again, taken or stolen, if you will. So this happened.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything.
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing? It's me, Brandon, your neighbor, your friend, your host, back with another video from Innovation Property Atlanta. Before we jump into this video, guys, remember to hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification button so you guys are tuned in when I drop out new videos from Innovation Property Atlanta on the Turo game. Today's video, guys, is going to be a quick story time, number 14, on the Chrysler 300. And the time it was, again, taken or stolen, if you will. So this happened summer of 2020. So what happened with the 300 was I rented the car to a lady who was coming to Atlanta from out of town. She rented the car for a weekend, so I gave it to her, I think on a Friday evening. She picked it up from the airport, everything checked out as always, driver's license, picture, did all the Turo process to make sure everything is following protocol to a T. So I actually was out of town that weekend. I think I left that Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, evening, I got hit up by the lady saying the car was taken or stolen on Friday night. It was parked outside her friend's home. It was an altercation and the car was taken. Again, guys, can't make this up. So I said, like I always say, did you file a police report? Did you get documentation? Do you know who took it? Well, I don't have all the information. Okay. Do me a favor, go ahead and file a police report, which in this case, she actually did file a police report. Cool. And she asked, when I said, when you get a police report, give me a police report number, give me all the information, and then text that to me or email that to me. Okay, a couple hours later, she got the police report, hit me up. So are you able to find the car? You got to check on the car. Where's the car located? I got stuff in the car. I said, ma'am, you told me the car was stolen or taken, right? So, like, most people who take stuff or steal stuff, you don't get it back, or you probably won't get it back. So, do you know who took it? Which most of the time, they know who took it or what happened. I can't get into all that. All right, well, ma'am, I'm out of town. I'll be back on Sunday. So, that's how it went. So, Sunday morning, she called me. Are you back in town? I need to get my stuff. Where's the car located? Ma'am, again, the car is stolen. Why are you so concerned about your stuff? Like, it doesn't make any sense. So meanwhile, behind the scene, I am tracking the car, and I know where the car is located at. So when me and my wife got back Sunday afternoon to Atlanta, we landed. I had my wife follow me, and we kind of scoped out the scene of where the car was parked and was located. And it was there at this apartment complex on the east side. So I went ahead and I actually, since she already got a police report, which is what you're supposed to do anyway as far as documentation, I went ahead and called a police officer to let them know, like, the car is here. Here's the location of the vehicle. Can somebody meet me? Went around in circles for about an hour. Nobody got in contact with me. Lo and behold, I was driving by the apartment complex where the car was at again. There was already a cop out there. He wasn't there for my car or didn't know anything about the car. I just asked, can you please just escort me to the vehicle, because I don't want to get involved in any mess or altercation when it comes to these cars. I told him I had a police report, which I did. He looked it up. Everything came back good. And he said, yeah, I had a spare key with me. He said, yeah, I'll take you to your car. So he escorted me to the car, did the fingerprints, all the good stuff he's supposed to do as far as the police work and the crime work. Cool, Mr. Jones, you can go ahead and take your car. You have a good day. Great, got the car back. Didn't let the client know I got the car back. Probably a couple hours later, where we at? What's up there? She had reached out to me. What's up there in the car? Where we at with it? I need to get my stuff out the car. Ma'am, you act like you don't care about it. It's all kind of businessman are you? You don't care. You just don't care about it. I play them with the best of them. So the next day, I told her, we're able to locate the vehicle, but your stuff was in the vehicle, which it wasn't in the vehicle. So she was on her way back to where she was from to catch her flight. She was hoping that I said I had a car and had her stuff, and can I meet her to get her stuff back? And it wasn't nothing in the car that was hers. And even if it was, I would throw it out anyway. Because obviously she knew who took the vehicle, or she was involved in some type of altercation, some type of scuffle where they took the key and the car. Because most of the time people, when they steal something or take something from you, they don't take it with you knowing. They take it behind your back, or they take it as being a party that's not really involved or who you may know. She knew the person. She gave them the key. Could be the boyfriend or a scorn lover. I don't know. They had the key. They had the car. I got it back. I didn't get the key back, of course, but I got the car back. So that's the most important thing that you got to worry about in these situations. When somebody has your asset, you got to recover the asset. That's the most important thing, to get that back. So lo and behold, she didn't get nothing out the vehicle. There was a couple items in there. I went ahead and trashed them, but she didn't get anything back out the vehicle. When in doubt, police report, document everything, get your asset back, play dumb. That's the best thing I can tell all you guys when this happens to you, because you don't know anything, you don't want to know anything, you don't want to get involved in their drama. All you want to do is get your car back, get it cleaned, and get ready to put it back on the platform. So that's story time number 14, guys. You guys have a good day. Appreciate it.
Fire to fuego, we pass it round, hot potato. Everything is nuevo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes, Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil. I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special. You gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't fade. Sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed. You change what's around you, how you think.